So I done a stupid thing. And you think with all the years experience I have by riding motorcycles and owning Road Kings and all down the road, I'd have a bit more common sense. But, absolutely stupid. Stupid move. Raging with myself. So what I done was I had an old leather pouch, and I thought this would be a great gadget, and I could put my power bank in it. That would charge my cameras and all as I go, charge my phone, everything else. Thought this was a great idea, brilliant idea. Well done, I said to myself. Great idea. Well, not so great. And not only was it not so great, it turned out to be even worse. So, I'll put a video at the end here and let you see exactly how all this worked out. And, it was a nightmare. So, I put this wee pouch on the bike and strap it on, put my power bank and all in it, go out for a scoot on the bike. I have my phone plugged into it, I have my cameras plugged into it, charging as I go on the power bank. Everything's all fine and dandy. I get home, didn't even notice, took the power bank and all out, cameras and all off, back in the house, until the next time I went to go out on the bike. I go to put the power bank into the pouch again. Big fucking dent on the front fender. Big dent. I'll maybe beep that out. Stupid. I put it on the light bar. So with the suspension going up and down. This pouch is an old World War II pouch. Heavy, solid, thick leather. And it just pounded the top of the fender. Pounded it. Big old dent. So, great idea, I think. I'll get one of those dent pullers. That'll work a fucking treat. Well, Amazon, there I go. I get the dent puller, all the kit with it, go out to the bike, put the hot glue on, put the wee pulling thing on it, put it onto the bike. Now, it took me a minute. I cut the video short, but it took me a minute to get it pulled the middle of the dent out, and then you have to go around it and pop the rest of it out. So, but I did get the dent out. But not only did I get the dent out, it took the paint off the fender as well. So, those dent pullers with the hot glue and stuff on motorcycles, no, don't do it. Don't do it. I put it on. I'd have been better off taking the fender off and getting an old piece of dowel or a panel beater and just popping it back out, hammering it down on top of a cushion. Would have done a lot better job. Those dent pullers, don't use them. That hot glue, it took the top coat off and it took the blue off right down to the primer, right down to the grey primer. I was absolutely pissed at myself. Pissed. So my recommendation is don't hang anything on your light bar. Don't be an idiot like me. And leave the dent pullers alone. Don't go near those hot glue things. There's umpteen YouTube videos saying, oh, they're great, this is what you're doing, these guys using them. No chance. You put a small amount of glue on it and you go to pull the dent out, it just pulls the wee puller off and it doesn't do anything. Put a bit more glue on it, it'll stick, but it takes everything with it when it sticks. So, really and truly, anyway, watch the video, you'll see me putting it on, and I kind of cut the video from whenever I was trying to pull the dent out to eventually whenever the wee thing popped off and the dent popped out. As I say, I cut it right down. But those dent pullers, man, stay away from them. Stay away from them. Oh, absolute nightmare. So the only way you can I'll be able to get around it would be to, if you patched it, you'd notice it. There's no way you can patch it. You'd have to get the colour match and respray the whole thing. You know, oh, I was absolutely raging. Absolutely raging. But anyway, the wee video's on there. You can take a look at it. And I'll show you, it shows you the dent, and then the dent puller going on. And see the minute in the video when you hear that pop, that's whenever the paint and everything come off with it. Oh, I couldn't believe it. Well, anyway, I appreciate you watching. Before you get to the end of the video there, if you give us a wee like and subscribe, I'd appreciate it. And but I would definitely not recommend those. Definitely not. Okay, thanks for watching.